Class, when you arrive, please find the card on the workstation that has your name in it and just wait there. Don't start working on anything or don't read the card. Just make sure you find the one with your name on it. Marisol. Ooh, this is a nice station. Lillian Collins. She's so amazing. You're late. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Excuses. Please find the card with your name on it. I bet it's that one right over there. It's the only one left. Okay, thanks. Uh-oh. Not a good start. As most of you may have heard, I am Lillian Collins. I am the youngest junior to win the senior championship. I wowed them with my, strawberry cheesecake. I hope most of you have heard that it was quite delicious. Well, I'm going to be teaching you this summer how to cook, clean, and create. Here, we're going to have a little battle just to kick off the fun class. You see, we have 1 grill, 2 workstations, 2 cards, and 2 competitors. In your card is going to say a word. That word is what you must make. Say it said a cookie. You'd both be making any cookie you would like to feed me. I would taste both of your cookies and I would decide who had the best. Say, this young lady, Marisol, what if she won? She would get a shopping spree with me. I'm going to be doing this for every couple. And if she loses, if Kit loses, she's going to be cleaning the station, her station, the grill, and her competitor's station, and the dishes that they both used. So, I'd try to win that shopping trip if I were you. Let the games begin! Pie. I better go get my ingredients to make my best pumpkin pie yet. Got my ingredients. Now let's get cooking. Put my grill face on. Pie. Pizza pie. I'm gonna make my famous pepperoni and pepper pie. Better get my ingredients. Here we go. Get my stir face on. Then I'm gonna start cooking. I'm gonna get my sauce ready. Oh, no. I think I need to get my dough ready first. Put my dough in there. Mix that around. Put my dough on the grill. Gonna want to put some sauce on there. Then my cheese and toppings. There you go. Time is up. Everyone put your spoons and everything down. You can get your food on its plate and that is it. Yes, it is pie. Okay, let's take my spoon. Yummy. Why do you think you should win? And why it is special? Well, I added a secret ingredient of ginger in it. It may have given it a great taste. And I also put some fluffernutter cream inside to make it a little bit more rich. And there's a little bit of trace of white chocolate shavings in there. I think that's why I should win, because I make something special and I bring style to the kitchen. Yes, you do. Okay. Over here. And you had to make a pie as Marisol did. Why'd you make pizza? Pizza? Pie? That's what you meant by pie, right? Not pie like dessert. I thought you meant pizza pie. Here, when you say pie, we mean the dessert kind. Pizza is pizza. You're disqualified. Marisol, you are the winner!